In this video, we're going to learn one section or part of a series of movement phrases. And this is part 2 in the series. And it's kind of a twofold project, if you will, where each video will give you some movement phrase ideas that you can use in your own choreography. It's also choreography for a dance to a song by Danny Goki called Undertow, and we're going to present it later on. So I'm going to give you all the parts and pieces of it, which you're welcome to use for yourself if you'd like to do the dance, or give you some movement ideas that you can use in your own choreography. Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is Worship Dance Tips and Techniques, where my purpose and goal is to help you, the worship dancer, grow in your call to dance before the Lord. We go over lots and lots of different topics, choreography ideas, dance composition, expressive sign, prophetic dance, ministry and dance, pageantry, all kinds of things. So if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be aware of what is coming up next. Be sure to watch all the way through the end of the video, where I'll pose the question of the day and also talk about a valuable giveaway opportunity. So anyway, let's get right to it. Let's go ahead and do the second phrase. I like to use this as kind of a movement to go across the floor or to turn in place. So it just goes like this. You start on your right foot and you just step 1, 2, 3, and then your left knee comes up. Your toe comes to your knee you're in parallel. As you're doing that, your arms are in a V and your upper body is twisted in opposition to your knee. So your arms and your upper body face the front, nice, wide, strong, straight arms for a V. And at the same time, your toe is to the knee and you're here for your V position. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And the other knee comes up. I'm going to turn this way just so you can see the positioning. So you went right, 2, 3, left knee up. Then you step left, right, left, and your right toe comes to your knee, again in parallel. Your upper body is twisted again, but this time your arms are rounded and you contract over. Now I like to do it with a turn, kind of a half turn, but you can do it straight. If you were to do it straight, you wouldn't really see the movements too well, but it would be right, left, arms up, and left, right, left, contract. Right, left, arms up, and left, right, left, contract. Now, to do it across the floor, straight without turning, it would look kind of like this. Right, arms up, and left, arms down, and right, arms up, and left, arms down. But I like to do it with a little half turn. It's much more fluid. So you just go right, 2, 3, arms up, and left, begin to turn around. So when I do the turn around, I kind of like to do a throw contraction with it rather than the curve. So that's another aspect to it, is kind of a throw and contraction in that second part. So putting that together, it would be like right, lift up, and left, contract. Now, if you're doing something in place, you could repeat going the other way, and your first thing would be facing back, and your contraction would face that way. Or you could just do one turn and continue going straight, or do it straight a few times and then add the turn. So there's lots of variety you can do with that. made it to the end, and I mentioned about giveaway opportunity. I'm going to be giving away the digital download version of the Modern Dance 1 DVD to 2 different people. So be sure to look in the description box below for all the information about that. Please hit the like button and be sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Question of the day. What do you struggle with in choreography? What do you need help with? I'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you at a conference or retreat or in the online school, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.